equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will tackle the common issue of a non-repairable printed circuit board, PCB, in Lenovo ThinkPad laptops. This guide will provide you with a detailed, step-by-step approach to diagnosing and potentially fixing the problem. First, gather your tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a multimeter, isopropyl alcohol, a soft brush, and a soldering iron. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid any contamination. Start by removing the back cover of your Lenovo ThinkPad. Use the precision screwdriver to carefully unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Next, inspect the PCB for any visible damage. Look for burnt components, broken traces, or any signs of corrosion. If you notice any debris or dust, use the soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to clean the area. This step is crucial as it ensures a clear view of the damage and prepares the surface for any repairs. If you find broken traces, you can repair them using a soldering iron. Carefully solder a small wire to bridge the gap. Make sure to use a fine gauge wire to avoid any short circuits. If you feel this is too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. After addressing any visible issues, it's time to test the components. Use your multimeter to check for continuity across the traces. This will help you identify any further issues that may not be immediately visible. If you find any components that are not functioning correctly, consider replacing them. Once you have completed the repairs, it's essential to reassemble the laptop carefully. Place the back cover on and screw it back in place, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. If you're not comfortable performing these repairs yourself, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad and check if the issue has been resolved. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your laptop. If the problem persists, consider reaching out for a quote before repair, as our team can provide further assistance. This guide has walked you through the process of diagnosing and repairing a non-repairable PCB in a Lenovo ThinkPad. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can tackle this challenge head-on. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.